it's called Douxds, but it can't only be for dudes. So I'm gonna try it out. Shh, don't tell Dan. It is sanitized. There's like a UV light in here that sanitizes it. So I'm not really concerned about like his face germs getting on my face germs. So I'm gonna try it out with my face products. I know he used the Douxds products on his face, but I'm gonna use my products and see how it feels on my face. So today I'm gonna be using some Origins items that I have here, and then just use my toner. So these are the Heritage Store products I'm gonna finish with. We're gonna wet hair. We're gonna add face scrub to it, just a little. Let me wet my face. I'm excited. Ooh. It has a gentle pulsing feeling. Yeah. I don't know if I want to go up, but let's go further up. Oh, yeah. Feels good. It's very relaxing. The scrub I'm using isn't very soapy. This is my daily scrub that I use in the shower. So let's try that one out too. Again, wet this, put a little squeeze here. Oh wow, I like that. You could feel the bristles on your face. Oh yeah, that's really relaxing here in the nose bridge. There's two different types of bristles here at the tip, and then another like finer one at the bottom part. Nice and soapy, nice full coverage because of the big surface area. I like it. I've used some other sponges, some on my face, and I feel like they were kind of harsh. This one is really gentle, but it does the job. Like you like a nice little like tingly feeling. So let's continue with the face wash. But this is a winner for me. I don't think this is only for dudes. So dudes, stop keeping this a secret and let everyone enjoy. Few drops. And dudes, you did a good job. Market to some women because I like it. Oh yeah, again, don't tell Dan I use this stuff.